Layers panel. Useful enhanced commands to manage layers and much more. Let us have a quick tour for all commands found on this panel. Layer Properties Manager. Layer Properties Manager manages layers and layer properties. Layer Previous sets previous layer current without region. Layer Set by selecting any visible element, or return to show a list of all layers to choose. Isolate Layer. A command to isolate elements by layer. Select elements to keep its layer on and all other layers will go off. If layer to isolate is not visible on your screen or drawing is crowded, return to show a list with all layers to choose from. All layers on. A tool to set all layers on that have off status. Layer Off. Select an element and its layer will be off. Layer Freeze. A tool to freeze layers by selecting an element on the layer or return to show a list of all layers to choose from. Unorth or. A tool to set layers on Auth or by selecting them from a list that shows only layers with off or freeze status. Choose individual layers or use buttons at the bottom for all layers.